man was on his deathbed, surrounded by his family. As he was about to breathe his last, barely able to speak, he softly started mumbling, "Lemon, lemon, lemon." Everybody around him was absolutely confused. What did he mean? Was he asking for lemons? And even if he was asking for lemons, what would he do with lemons now? As all of them were trying to make some sense out of what was happening, the man passed away. The family members performed his final rites, and to honor his last words, even gave loads of lemons in charity. A couple of months later, all the family members came together and mutually agreed to sell the house and the property that the dead man left behind to a builder. The builder to whom the property was sold pulled the house down with a desire to build a high-rise building on that same property. One day, as his men were digging under the ground, they found a massive treasure chest with huge amounts of gold, diamonds, and precious gems and jewels. One of the neighbors who was living in the neighborhood took note of this and intimated the family of the dead man. When the family came to meet the builder to claim the treasure chest that was found in their old property, the builder denied giving them the treasure chest, saying that once the property was purchased, whatever came along with the property was his. The family even took the builder to the court, but the court ruled in the favor of the builder. One day, suddenly, the grandson of the dead man made a connection. At the very spot under which the treasure chest was found in the courtyard used to exist a lemon tree. Oh my God! Was that what Grandpa was trying to communicate when he was mumbling, "Lemon, lemon, lemon"? Right under that lemon tree was hidden this treasure chest. The family members had walked around in the courtyard several times. The grandson had played cricket right under the lemon tree several times, and all of them had missed the treasure hidden right underneath the ground that they were walking on. What a shame. There is a treasure hidden deep within each and every single one of us. We are all gifted with something very special, something very unique deep within us. Out of the 7 billion people living on planet Earth, no one can be you. You are you. Do not try to be someone else. Be yourself. Dig deep within yourself. Dig out the dirt of complacency. Dig out and pull out the dirt of lethargy. Dig out the dirt of self-doubt. Dig out the dirt of conformism to social standards of success, and discover that treasure deep within you which you are gifted and blessed with. And when that self-discovery happens, not only will you be super effective, but you will find deep satisfaction within the core of your heart. The next time you see lemons, remember,